Hello, investors. This is Ted Zhang, portfolio manager at Revere Asset Management. Today is Tuesday, February 18th, 5:04 p.m. Coming to you from Fort Lauderdale with tonight's Revere Roundup Daily Market Insight video. Before I start, I've had a few clients and friends text me asking me about my Twitter account. Yes, on January 23rd, I was hacked and currently locked out. The damages are minimal though, as my profile is still intact, but I've still been struggling to recover it from Twitter. That's still a work in progress. Anyways, state of the market, we're in an uptrend. GROTECTION gauge, all four green coveted arrows. We brought off mid caps as it cleared the 21 EMA and 50-day. Um, the rest, market leaders acting well, short term above. The major indexes are above the 21, major indexes above the 50, and major indexes above the 200-day simple moving average. S&P Qs week afternoon turns into a powerful all-time high close, and new all-time highs as well. I'll definitely showcase that intraday action. 21 over 21 list up 0.82%, 15 stocks up, 6 down. Big 8 was a loser today. Mega caps are heavy, down 0.81%. RGA up 0.39%, S&P 500 up 0.24%, RSP up 0.77%, Qs up 0.23%, QQEW up 0.98%. Sorry, there should be a period in there. You can see definitely some breadth today with equal weighted indexes up far more than the market cap weighted indexes. Dow Jones about flat, up 0.02%. Mid caps up 0.86%. Small caps up 0.45%. Global 60/40 equity bonds up 0.10%. And GROTECTION up 0.56%. Now jumping right into the chart of the S&P 500. Really nice VCP base, as I've been talking about on the podcast. We made a new fresh all-time high today and new all-time high close. 8, 21, and 50 days starting to expand and starting to really slope upward. So we could see a boost in momentum soon. We go on the 5 minute and see we pretty much just based all day within the 6,100 to 6,125 range. We had a slight shakeout under 6,100, and then that resulted in a really strong close. You can, as we say often, from failed moves, right here comes fast moves. You can see on the 5 minute, there's even this ECP action as well. On a 60 minute, you can see that fractal too. Super tight action, as you can see these last couple days. And then on the daily, you can see that VCP action as well. That's just a beautiful chart, beautiful breakout. RSP is stronger today, continues to build out this coupled handle, 8, 21, and 50 line. 50 still in the downtrend right now, though. But as the price moves higher, these moving averages will start to expand away from each other, and that could potentially lead us to another uptrend like that. Qs, all-time high as well, breaking out this flat base and the VCP coupled handle base. You can see that on the daily. On the 60 minute, you have a fractal as well. And then today, 5 minute chart, shakeout, super tight action. We broke out of there. Equal weighted index, new 52-week highs, or actually new all-time highs. That's extraordinarily strong action. This RS line is actually leading, making higher highs relative to the previous left side peak. So that is a really good sign. Dow Jones still building a super tight cup with handle, just amazing cup and handle right here. Mid caps reclaim the 8, 21, and 50. And these moving averages are starting to look like they want to expand to the upside as well. However, RS line is still declining. This is a sloppier cup with handle, but we're really starting to get all the indexes to engage together. Small caps still declining 50 above, which we actually just closed 1 point above. So we're back above 8, 21, and 50. We really just need to clear these 23, 27 levels to really establish a true uptrend. VIX hanging out below the 200-day moving average at this 15 level. Would love to see us get to sorry about that. I think I actually closed out Market Smith. Let's bring that back. VIX, yeah, I want to see us get to this 10 to 14 zone. That'll really present us a nice low volatility uptrend. Dollar broke down below the 821 and 50-day moving averages. Gold continues to flow to new highs. Talk about adding some gold miners today. Actually, GDX continues to act strong, building this cup with handle. We added some nugget today, which I'll go over. IBIT breaks this bear flag below 821 and 50, starting to act much weaker. But Bitcoin, as you can see, did undercut, reclaim that low. Pretty much anything above this 90,000 level is completely normal action. You can just see a base is building. Huge volume on the uptrend, dry out in the base. It just needs time, needs to set up, and we'll continue to monitor and get ready to rebuy it or buy more of it when it's time. In terms of bonds, yields were all up today. 2 years up 4.5 basis points, 10 years up 7.4 basis points. Yes, so this continues to flag out here. A little bit of volatility in bonds as there are many macro winds, crosswinds in this current environment with Doge trying to address the debt deficit, persistent inflation. So we'll see where that takes us. Continue on. So we talked about bonds. That's it from the inter-asset correlation, actually. Now let's jump right into the tail of the tape. Market trend uptrend. We're still in the bull case above the 21 EMA. The only news today was some FOMC governors speak. A couple FOMC voting members talked about how they do believe inflation will come down, and that even if Trump imposes his tariffs, there will only be slight inflation and there will be non-persistent. They did say that about the last inflation wave, that is transitory, so we can't fully really trust some of these Fed speakers. The key study today was S&P versus 6100. We undercut, reclaimed that, and closed an all-time high. Qs were watching 21 EMA versus all-time high. We broke the all-time high. Russell, we're above the 21E, and we actually just closed 1 point above the 50, so change that to an up arrow. Day count, since we're an all-time high, I had to change it from consolidation 20 to up 1. 6 days above the 8 EMA, 10 days above the 21 EMA. Expectations are positive. Strong sectors, bond yields, dollar, energy, builder utilities, gold, silver, semis, and oil and gas. Weak sectors, communications and discretionary, IBIT, home builders, and FNGS. We sold Reddit today and added to Nugget. 1.55 beta, minus 5.8% rebar. And the bottom line is that S&P and the Nasdaq use week afternoon turns into a powerful all-time high lows. So let's talk about Reddit. Sliced through the 821, tried to rally today, couldn't even get to the 21 and rejected back to the 50-day. Decided just to take down the position, rotate that money into another setup. You can see a failed breakout on this RS line as well. Nugget, let's look at GDX's chart. Building a cup with handle here, undercut, reclaim the 8 EMA. We decide to take a piece of Nugget. You can see nice little move today above 8 EMA. Other than that, there's nothing much to talk about from our individual names. We'll go over the 21 over 21 list, and then we'll send you away for the day. Upstart was the biggest mover today. Huge failure on the second day, follow through to the downside. We rallied back today, but still below that left side peak. So now we're really just building a cup with handle, and if this continues, this will be a nice earnings gap or continuation play. You can see potentially over 90 is an opportunity there. Palantir continues to flow higher post earnings gap. Shook out some weak hands below 100, including us. Then we just blast off from 100 to 124, another 20% plus move. Just extraordinary action from Palantir. Quick shakeout below 100, and we've been off to the races. Bros, great post earnings gap action, holding up really well. Briefly made an all-time high as well. Axon broke out of this cup with handle. RS line new highs as well. Just great price action, great base. Everything's perfect about the stock and its price action, earnings in 7 days. Snowflake remains robust too. Still struggling to clear out this left side peak, but we are looking like we want to clear it. Let's see if we can send momentum instead of just this choppy back and forth action. SC broke out this couple candle, just continues to ride the 8 higher. Nothing wrong with that. CEG, sloppy action off DeepSeek. Me on this one too. Starting to really break out this little flag here that we're seeing. Still unable to cover this gap. So this does show some weakness for me, but this is starting to recover. And as long as it trends above the 821, there's really nothing to worry about here. HWM continues to make a new all-time high post earnings. AEM gold miner found support at the 21 EMA, still below the 8 EMA. DLCS is starting to U-turn post its gap. Good action here. EQT, natural gas name, just building sideways, base. On the downside, we had Hood pull back after earnings. Not even back to the 8 EMA, so that's fine. Normal action, nothing too bad to see here. HIMS just this massive move from 24 to literally 67 in a few weeks. Just wow. Amazing move here. And yeah, plenty of opportunities this year. Um, I just tight day under 60, earnings in 6 days. APP continues to see some volatility post earnings. First day we closed weak, then we rallied back. Tried to make a new high today, reversed off so far. TKO just riding the AEMA higher, nothing wrong there. CYBR just reversed after making a new high, still well above the AEMA, nothing wrong there. Dash, same thing, made a new high, reversed off so far, still well above the AEMA. When your five biggest losers are still acting extraordinarily well and trending above the AEMA, you know the market leaders are acting well. With that being said, that's going to wrap it. My name is Ted Zhang. I'm a portfolio manager at Revere Asset Management. Today is Tuesday, February 18th. Now it's 5:16 p.m. If you're interested in becoming a client, you can reach out to my email at ted@revereasset.com. Currently, I am unresponsive on my Twitter or X. Hopefully, that will be back soon. You can check our website at revereasset.com and your YouTube at Revere Asset. Again, want to be a client, we can review your portfolio. You can reach out to us and we'd be happy to help. Now, yep, have a good rest of your day.